So you want to invest in individual stocks. Well, you're going to have to read company reports, trading updates and stock news. If the thought of that and trawling through these company reports bores you out of your mind, what if there was a way that you could speed up the process and just pinpoint the parts of a company report that you're really looking for? Well, there is. And it's completely free. I'll show you how to do that now. Welcome to Destination Wealth. So the website we're going to be looking at to be able to do this is called ADVFN. Now, I'm not subscribed. I am subscribed to a free account. It's completely free. I'm not affiliated, but I'll put a link in the notes below to take you straight there. So once you've signed up for an account, filled in all your details, you can track your companies, the companies that you're invested in. You can have watch lists, the companies that you're interested in investing in. And if you are looking to invest in individual stocks, it's a great resource. There's loads of information. Some of it's behind a paywall, so you have to pay for some of it. I don't, I just use the free version. Okay, so let's jump into this and have a look at a company report or trading update. So we're looking at a company called Avon Protection here. They're now called Avon Technologies, just changed their name. They specialize in respiratory face masks for the military and headgear, head protection, thermal imaging cameras and the like. They're multinational. They've been going for quite a long time. I've owned them for quite a long time, and I like to keep track of their company reports, their trading updates, to see exactly how they're doing and what information they've got to give me. So what we're going to do is go to the Avon Protection page. We're going to click on recent news, more Avon news, and we're going to find the last interim results. That'll do. So as you can see, if I just scroll down all the way, it's a massive report, and this is just an interim report. So you can see it goes on and on and on. Now, it's still a good idea to read these reports. You know, it's full of important information that you may need to know about. Information about a stock that you're either looking to buy or one you already own. So you can see it's just never ending. This is an interim report, so a final report's usually even longer. But as you can see, you probably noticed there's a lot of words in it with highlighted colours on. Now those highlighted colours are not random. I've set those up. I've picked the words, I've picked the colours. So you can jump to places in the report that you might be interested in, like debt, straight to it takes you straight there. Lower, favourable. So excellent, increased. So you can see quickly, without having to trawl through the whole thing, words that may be of relevance and of importance. So how do we set this up? Well, it's pretty easy actually. All you do, go back to the beginning, or even actually, it doesn't really matter, whatever page you're currently on. If you scroll right to the top, and then in the bar across the top, you've got a button named News. Click on that News, and scroll down a bit further, and then you'll have this heading, these headings across the top here. And what you want to click on is highlight phrases. So under highlight phrases, you have 20 words or phrases that you can input, anything you like, and you can select a color next to them so that whenever you click on any report, any information, anything that's reported on the ADVFN website, a company report, a trading update, news, whatever it is, it will always highlight those words so you can just quickly see them, quickly jump to them. So as you can see here, I've got words like challenging, difficult, down by, unpredictable, lower. all in red. Generally, they're usually pretty bad things to have in a company report, unless they're talking about debt, and lower debt, obviously, and down by is a good thing when you're talking about debt. And then you've got things like above, exceeding expectations, positive, favourable, profit up, excellent. Obviously, good things to see in a company report or trading update. So they're in green. And then things that I just want to highlight and look into, like debt, bank, increase, that sort of thing, I've highlighted in blue. Increase could be an increase in sales, obviously a good thing, but it could also be an increase in debt, not such a good thing. So I put that in blue. Now you can change these to whatever colours you want. You've got an option of 5 different colours, so you can have anything that you like, and you can change these whenever you want. But what it does is it means that whenever you go to these company reports, it just highlights everything for you quickly. So if you've only got 5 minutes to have a quick scan through, you can see those little bits of information, and it'll take you straight to them without you having to read the whole report. Now, as I said before, still a good idea when you've got time to read the whole report, just in case there's something in there that jumps out that's not been highlighted by those words. But you know, just keep track of them. As I say, you can set this up for free. Open up an account, free account. You can put your watch list in just to take you there quicker, or you can just search for that stock and then go to the news articles. I have a free account. I use it all the time. I also use it most days just to see how my portfolio is doing, because it's got live updates. Go into that in another video, show you exactly how I set that up and how I use this to track the daily ups and downs of the stocks that I own. Now, if you're interested to see how I went from 0 to 77,000 in my portfolio and what that paid me in dividends each year for 3 years, check out this video next.